Overview of COP26 Summit. The 26th United Nations Climate Change Conference of the Parties COP26 COP26 was held in Glasgow, Scotland from October 31 से नवंबर 13, 2021। 31 अक्टूबर को शुरू हुई से लेकर नवंबर 13, 2021 तक चला। The conference was a critical moment in global climate action as nations came together to accelerate their efforts in combating climate change. COP26 built on the Paris Agreement 2015, aiming to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels and avoid the worst impacts of climate change. अब इसके key objectives क्या थे of COP26? Number 1, mitigation, reducing emissions, urging countries to set more ambitious targets to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 2030. Number 2, adaptation, ensuring communities can adapt to the worsening impacts of climate change. Number 3, finance, securing the promise of mobilizing $100 billion per year by developed countries to support developing nations in tackling climate change. Number 4, collaboration, fostering global cooperation to meet climate goals, especially by finalizing the Paris Rulebook, the guidelines for implementing the Paris Agreement. तो 4 ऑब्जेक्टिव हैं मुख्य। सबसे पहला मिटिगेशन, कम करो एमिशंस को। नंबर 2 अडेप्टेशन, अडेप्ट करो, इंश्योर करो कम्युनिटीज़ अडेप्ट कर पा रही हैं। 3 फाइनेंस, 100 बिलियन के आसपास हर साल फाइनेंस करें, डेवलपिंग नेशन को एक हेल्प दें। नंबर 4 इज़ कोलैबोरेशन, फोस्टरिंग ग्लोबल कोऑपरेशन टू मीट क्लाइमेट गोल्स, स्पेशली बाय फाइनलाइजिंग द पेरिस रूल बुक। पेरिस रूल बुक को फाइनलाइज करके द गाइडलाइंस, जो कि क्या है, गाइडलाइंस है फॉर इम्प्लीमेंटिंग द पेरिस एग्रीमेंट। की प्लेजेस टेकन एट COP26, जो प्लेजेस ली गई वो क्या थी? नंबर 1, ग्लोबल मीथेन प्लेज, ओवर 100 कंट्रीज एग्री टू कट मीथेन एमिशंस बाय 30% बाय 2030। 100 से भी ज़्यादा देशों ने माना कि मीथेन एमिशंस को हम 30% कम कर देंगे 2030 तक। Methane is a potent greenhouse gas that contributes significantly to global warming. Number 2 is deforestation pledge. Leaders from 141 countries representing over 90% of the world's forests, including Brazil, Canada, Indonesia, Russia, pledged to halt and reverse deforestation by 2030. Number 3 is net zero targets. Countries were encouraged to commit to achieving net zero carbon emissions by mid-century. Several nations, including the UK and European Union, have committed to 2050, while India pledged 2070 कि भाई आप नेट ज़ीरो कार्बन एमिशंस तक पहुंच जाएंगे। 2050 पे यूके यूरोपियन यूनियन ने बोला और इंडिया ने बोला 2070 तक। कोल फेज आउट, मोर देन 40 countries agreed to phase out coal and stop building new coal plants. However, major coal-dependent countries like China, India and US did not sign this agreement. बट इन तीनों ने एग्रीमेंट नहीं साइन किया है। 5, क्लाइमेट फाइनेंस कमिटमेंट, डेवलप्ड नेशंस रीअसर्टेड देयर कमिटमेंट टू डिलीवरिंग $100 बिलियन पर ईयर टू डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज deal with climate change, though this pledge was delayed from the original 2020 target. Number 6 is Glasgow Climate Pact. A final document called the Glasgow Climate Pact was adopted. एक ग्लासगो क्लाइमेट पैक्ट अडॉप्ट किया गया, अर्जिंग कंट्रीज टू स्ट्रेंथन देयर 2030 एमिशंस रिडक्शन टारगेट्स बाय द एंड ऑफ 2022 एंड एम्फेसाइजिंग द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ लिमिटिंग टेम्परेचर राइज टू 1.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस। की आउटकम्स क्या थे इन द मिनट्स ऑफ COP26? नंबर 1, वीक coal language. One of the most debated aspects of COP26 was the wording around coal. The initial language called for a phase out of coal, but after intervention by India and China, it was softened to phase down, causing frustration among climate activists but still representing progress. Number 2, increased ambitions for 2030. Countries agreed to return to table with more ambitious national climate plans by 2022 to align with the 1.5 degree Celsius target, which requires reducing global emissions by 45% by 2030 compared to 2010 levels. Article 6 था COP26 finalized rules on carbon markets under Article 6 of the Paris Agreement, allowing countries to trade emissions reductions which could help reduce overall global emissions. Number 4, loss and damage. Developing nations pushed for stronger recognition and financial support for loss and damage caused by climate change, but the final agreement fell short of establishing a formal financial mechanism. India's pledge at COP26. India played a critical role at COP26, particularly in advocating for the interests of developing countries while also committing to new ambitious climate goals. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced a 5-point agenda known as Panchamrit, which focuses on boosting renewable energy and achieving net zero emissions. India's major commitments at COP26. Number 1, net zero target. India pledged to achieve net zero emissions by 2070, making it one of the few major economies with a longer term goal. 2030 emissions goal. India committed to 500 gigawatt of installed renewable energy capacity by 2030, meeting 50% of its energy requirements from renewables by 2030, reducing total projected carbon emissions by 1 billion tons by 2030, reducing the carbon intensity of the economy by 45% by 2030 relative to 2005 levels. India's focus on climate justice. India emphasized the principle of climate justice, arguing that developed countries bear historical responsibility for global warming and should bear the larger share of the financial burden for addressing it. Modi called on wealthy nations to increase their climate finance commitments to help developing countries transition to low carbon economies. Post COP26 developments for India. Number 1, expansion of renewable energy. India has accelerated its transition to renewable energy, focusing on solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. The International Solar Alliance, initiated by India, continues to gain momentum, aiming to mobilize investments in solar projects globally. Number 2, climate finance and technology transfer. India has pushed for climate finance and technology transfer from developed nations to help achieve its ambitious renewable energy and climate goals. The $100 billion climate finance promise remains central to India's expectations from global climate agreements. Number 3, green hydrogen initiative. India has also launched initiatives to develop green hydrogen as a future clean energy source, with the goal of becoming global leader in hydrogen production. The COP26 summit in Glasgow was a crucial step in the global effort to address climate change, with key pledges made by nations around emissions reduction, climate finance, and adaptation. India's role was significant, with its 2070 net zero pledge and ambitious target of 2030 reflecting a major shift toward renewable energy. However, the success of these commitments depend on collective global action and the ability of countries like India to receive necessary financial and technological support from developed nations.